Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessings of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is match the first letter sound of each picture. Playgroup class, today we are going to match the letters with the relevant pictures. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first letter is F. This is a lowercase letter F. Sounds like F. F. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter F. F. Fish. F. Fish. Now we will match the letter F with fish like this. The second letter is G. This is a lowercase letter G. Sounds like G. G. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter G. G. Goat. G. Goat. Now we will match the letter G with goat like this. The third letter is H. This is a lowercase letter H. Sounds like H. H. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter H. H. Horse. H. Horse. Now we will match the letter H with horse like this. The next letter is I. This is a lowercase letter I. Sounds like E. E. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter I. E. Ice cream. E. Ice cream. Now we will match the letter I with ice cream like this. The next letter is J. This is a lowercase letter J. Sounds like J. J. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter J. J. Jeep. J. Jeep. Now we will match the letter J with Jeep like this.